If affordability, dependability, and fuel economy matters to you, this is the one. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LS loaded with the convenience package. Beautiful vehicle. Around back, lots of cargo room. Even has an optional cargo mat. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Michelin tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear air vents and dual USB charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's summit white with medium ash gray two-tone interior. Tinted windows, color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, just as clean inside as it is out. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, power seat, all weather mats throughout. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got audio controls, cruise, lane keep, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 15,000 well cared for miles. Push button start, touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite. Backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LS with a convenience package, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.